Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this 35mm black and white image for a long time ago. Well, I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Today's subject. Well, actually I made some watercolor type image last year, but I didn't satisfied much, so I want to try to make some kind of dry media sketching type illustration from this. Well, concentrate on colorize today. Alright, let's get started. I'm gonna move this empty layer over this black and white image. Then let's see, change blend mode, normal to color. Then get used to use this painting and stuff on Fresco. Well, I hopefully getting better than last year. Huh? Okay. Let's get started. Pick some nice skin tone first with the brushes. Basic to soft round opacity as always. Okay. This film is a little bit dark, but we can lighten up on changing blend mode and stuff. Okay. Let's see. Okay, now looking for skin tone. Okay, go for makeup. Let's see, pretty dark eyeshadow, I think. So I don't remember well, but I don't need to. I'm gonna paint something. Okay, I'm gonna use smudge tool. Well, yeah. Dry media to pastel square. Okay, then go back to soft round opacity. Okay, pretty much. Right now, go for hair color. Okay, now change color to a little bit more yellowish. Okay, we're pretty much down for okay. Now go for what color is gonna be this outfit? Well. Okay, go for some kind of bluish. And some moss green something. Okay, now I think some, a little bit closer color. Well, some more with some go for background. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna add another layer for background. This is gonna be, it's pretty much nice out of focus background, so I think I used the watercolor type background last time, but this time I'm go just maybe interesting on some pastel texture or something. Let me see. Pastel brush, dry media to, well, pastel square. Let me see this texture. Let's see. Well, let me make mask, create empty mask. Now, use the brush, basic to soft round opacity. Okay. Right, I'm going to erase this. Then again, I'm going to use same brush, then same yellowish, orangish brushes, pastel square, same thing. Yeah, that's kind of interesting now. Okay, now I think overall color is pretty interesting, but I think more I want lighten up model, so I'm going to duplicate this layer. Then let's see, change blend mode. Screen overlay. This is a little bit contrast, huh? Yeah, let's see about screen or overlay. Let me see. Move up over these colors. Then let me see screen again. Yeah, go down back to just over the original. So I don't affect the color, background colors. So just, let's see, screen tone down about 50. Then I'm gonna make mask, create empty mask. Well, I may copy this, but it's not same kind of mask. So okay, I'm gonna just invert mask. Now I'm gonna hide this with the soft round opacity again. Well, reveal. Needs some contrast though. But it's pretty much interesting, isn't it? Yeah, just adjust the tone of the base image with 2 layers duplicate. We see the other colors on here, background colors. Okay, maybe use this appearances, brightness, contrast under these black and white image base images. Brightness is alright, but mostly contrast. Yeah, brightness is just fine. Only contrast 420. Let me see, before, after. Okay, but I think I want to see her face makeup color, and also some touch up. Yeah, touch smudge with the pastel square. Yeah, I guess pretty interesting colorized image. Okay, well, that's it for today. And thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. What I did is, let me see, turn these off. Wait a minute, on the effect only for this screen blend mode. Yeah. Well, what I did is, let me see, turn it off, these colors. Then this is my black and white original image. I add color on model, this much, and background. Add color over this frame with a pastel brush. Then I lighten up herself, making the original black and white image, duplicate, double, then change blend mode to screen to add this much with the appearances, contrast up, just a touch. Well, that's it for today, and thank you again. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. I'm gonna make something interesting image from this tomorrow. Well, see you tomorrow. Thank you again, and bye now. Ciao.